Hi Emma, we also talked about creating an additional area, I think by some windows, based on the lower part of C6. So this is C6a, and it's roughly 550 by 550 by 1.1 meter towers. We've got a 35 centimeter wide tower at the end here. That's just a hangover from C6. And I've got another version which I'm going to go on to in a minute called c6b that doesn't have this, which looks more symmetrical, and I suspect that's the one you'll prefer. All of the towers I'm showing you are 1.1 high. They have 3 deep baskets and one, you can just see it there, shallow basket. These can all be jiggled around and put anywhere you want, but that's the basic combination you're going to end up with if you want to max out the 280 deepest available baskets. I've also talked about creating an extended sort of work surface by giving this a bit of a lip. Just let me have your thoughts on there. Zero cost in doing that because those are bespoke tops. It doesn't matter what size they are, they all cost about the same. Okay.